In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram other story not showing. Let's get started. First, make sure your app is updated. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, click on it. If you find the option of update, click on it, as new updates often fix story visibility bugs. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out loading issues. Next up, launch your Instagram app. Navigate to profile page. Click on the following list. Now head over to the profile of the person whose story is missing. Click on this following drop down. Click on the option mute. Make sure you haven't enabled for the option of storage. In case you have enabled this, the stories from the account will be muted. So disable this. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back to your account. Navigate to settings and activity page. Scroll all the way down, click on log out and confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and log in back. Lastly, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these, your Instagram other story not showing problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.